Achievements of Sports and Youth Services Department Tunhaya Sports Infrastructure approved te. Mizoram Sports Rural Mason nan heng te tunhaya approved to ani a nachan thwai te turin chinlak mek ani. Khelo India Construction of Multipurpose Hall at Tuikwal Mizoram under Khelo India Scheme Amount Cheng Vaibel Chisom Pakat Point Panga Northeast Special Infrastructure Development Scheme added in roads infrastructure. Establishment of multidisciplinary sports indoor stadium at ITI Veng, Aizawl District, Mizoram. Cheng Vaibel Chisomni. Construction of multipurpose indoor hall at Serchip District, Mizoram. Cheng Vaibel Chesari. Construction of MSSC indoor stadium at Tuikwal, Aizawl District, Mizoram. Cheng Vaibel Chisom Pakat Point Pali. PMJVK laying of hockey turf at Nathial, Cheng Vaibel Chekwa Point, Zariat Somret Paruk. Artificial football turf at Tenzol, Cheng Vaibel Chisom Pakat Point, Somret Panga. Construction of football turf at New Champai, Cheng Vaibel Chisom Point Pakat. Empowering Mizoram Sports Vision Sangni Somthum Paruk Olympics ni Chungin Empowering Mizoram Sports EMS to Mizoram Bana Kai Handholding Scheme Hwaya January ni som pali sangni somni panga khan Chief Minister Pulal do Aman Atlangzar EMS Hwaya hian Sports Association le Mipuitanen Changkopin Public Private Partnership PPP mangin Mizoram Pumtom Chwak Sports Coaching le Talent Development lian tham kalpuitum ani Munkil Khorzoka no pangkumjat acha kumsom panga in car sports talent nei chatak tak training le coaching mu maldong si lote zong chwakin an bana kaya Mizoram le India IO theitur khopa cher chwa tum ani EMS bulchan nan bana kai scheme achangin Cheng Vaibel Chanhi Point panga da phot ani a company shang dorin ati pundan sun mek zel ani State Bank of India Guwahati Circle chuan EMS a mantur sports equipment le sportswear lenan Cheng Nuai somni panga minpe a February ni som panga khan Mizoram Secretariat kota hlanna hunbuat sai ani nge EMS a hian Olympic sports discipline Mizo te thiam zong le India po achatna te chu ngai poimo ani ang chung te chu boxing weightlifting wrestling judo, badminton, archery, hockey le taekwondo te ani. EMS hi Public-Private Partnership PPP mod akalpui turni in sarkarin coach te lo le sports equipment atumang. Coach te thlenna veiwa na le eile in te chu asom tu khwa emo vengin emo antum thungang. Aizawl International Half Marathon April ni somni paruk sang ni somni panga khan Mizorama avai khatnan Aizawl International Half Marathon chu hlawhtling takabwat sai ani a Indiaram State shang somle rampon achangin mi sang khat zanga chuangan tlan Aizawl International Half Marathon hi Athletics Federation of India AFI Pompuya buat sai ani AIHM 2025 a hian race category pathum half marathon 21.1 km open race kilometer somle fun race kilometer ngate a oma loman atan chiang noi som sem ani AIHM 2025 buat sai na sen so hi Mizoram sarkarin chiang noi som atuma abag som chu partner innovations India nen changkopin sponsorship kaltanga tum ani Mizoram Sports Conclave 2024 Olympic sangni somthum paruk vision hlawhtlinna na step masa atan Mizoram Sports Conclave chu June ni som pathum le ni som pali sangni somni pali khan Aizawl nei ani hi Mizorama National Level Sports Conclave masaberni in Indiaram State zinga Olympic sangni somthum paruk focus chunga conclave buat sai masakber ani nge conclave hi Chief Minister Pulal do Aman ahong ani Mizoram Sports Conclave 2024 buat sai nan Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports chuan Scheme of Human Resources Development in Sports HRDS hnuaia cheng noi somruk paret point somriat don ani a Mizoram sarkar sum ti heklo the angberin buat sai ani he huna hian Mizoram achunga Olympic level athlete chirchwa dan tur sei ho ani Assam le Meghalaya achungin sports minister andron tela anni ba ka hian Rama Sports Federation shang try tu te sports industry a million Reliance Tata Trust Tata Steel JSW Group IO te sports journalist langsar tak te ba ka India ram chung le pon hun shang achungin infami langsar tak antel Samagra Shiksha nen Grassroots Sports Development Program a tho ho na January ni som pathum sang ni som ni panga khan School Education Department hnuaia Samagra Shiksha nen Mizoram Sports maso na tura tho ho na tuthlung Memorandum of Understanding ze ani GSDP hnuaia hian mun somli paruka school no pangsang khat chuang te chu sports coaching pack anni a Sports and Youth Services Department le School Education Department hnuaia Samagra Shiksha tin GSDP hnuaia facility le coach te chu sports mason nan akal puidan tur toy tharin omzani le zwal tur malak mek ani sports bungra thazok training changtlung le regular zok te nei ani ang Incentive Cash Award Scheme Incentive Cash Award Scheme sang hi somni panga duan thar chu February ni som pathum sang hi somni panga Council of Ministers meeting chuan apoma February ni somni panga sang hi somni panga a notify ani heta hian in fiami medal late khwap zaw zok turin Incentive Cash Award dong theizinga Mizoram State Sports Council in Zaglut non Olympic discipline te til thar ani Incentive Cash Award sang hi somni pathum le sang hi somni pali chu sang Incentive Cash Award sang hi somni pathum achanga sang hi somni pali chu November ni kwa sang hi somni pali khan semni in family zali som pariat hena cheng noi za som point somruk pali semchwa ani kum sang ni somni pali achanga sang ni somni panga Incentive Cash Award hi National Sports Day August somni pakwa sang ni somni panga a semtura malak mek ani Assam Regiment a sports quota no kha lo tam chung changa malak July ni som pathum sang ni somni panga khan Lalnghinglova Hmar Minister of State Sports and Youth Services Department Government of Mizoram le Brigadier Vikas Rai Shandilia Commandant Assam Regimental Center Shillong te chu aizola anin koma Assam Regiment a Mizoram Sports Quota no kha lo tam lutuk ti zeom turin raman nan siam Raman na bo zuin Territorial Army Company aizolchan July ni som pukwa sang hi som ni panga khan Assam Regiment a intlar tur te chu lamwala screening an nei puya document le resel na te endikin infui na le thilpoi mo inshil na hun man ani Mizo Infami Talent Nature National Level Competition a Mizoram IO akal chintetan Assam Regiment Sports Quota hi adil thei ani Mizo chalai tetana sepailu theina chance thatak hi Sports and Youth Services Department le Territorial Army Company aizol te changkop chuan mala in screening po nei puizel tum ani Tuipuiral Games le Tuichangral Games sang hi somni panga a sports discipline telbel Olympic Games sang hi somthum paruk mathlir nei chungin Tuipuiral Annual Sports Meet sang hi somni panga a boxing le archery te telbel ani a January ni som pathuma changa ni somni panga chung khan sam thanga hlawhtling taka nei ani March ni somthum pakhat achanga April ni kwa sang hi somni panga chunga East Lungdara ni Tuichangral Championship sang hi somni panga a po boxing wrestling weightlifting sports discipline telbel ani bok heng sports discipline te hi Olympic discipline Mizo te thiam zong le khovel hwa pa India po achatna te ani Mizoram State Sports Council State Level Sports Association le Tuipuiral le Tuichangral GSA te changkopin heng sports discipline a ti hian tuipui ral le tui changral huam chunga khoshang shang thlan chwa training nei masak ani bok tuipui ral games le tui changral games a training te hi empowering Mizoram sports kalpui dan tur en chin nan man ani ngal bok coach te thlenna eile in le veiwa na te chu training nei na a khwaten an boy pui ani champhai changput field floodlight saski sum cheng noi zali somli panga point somsari paruk mangin champhai changput field a stadium floodlight bun filni in December ni som phakat sangni somni pali khan chief minister pulaldo aman ahong pro Punjab Mizoram mega match December ni som pasari sangni somni pali khan lamwala arm wrestling event lian pro Punjab Mizoram mega matches chu pro Punjab league nen changkopin buat sai ani a he huna hian Mizoram arm wrestler traten India le Uzbekistan atronga arm wrestler cha chwate an el ani amona entu himi sangni vel anni achut ani kum sangni somni pali atronga sangni somni panga chungin kanin family ten in el na shang shanga middle zale pakhat an ron hon ani level of championship a hian international level a gold pani silver pathum bronze pakhat avain paruk national level a gold somthum pariat silver somni pathum bronze somni pariat avain somriat pakwa regional level a silver pani bronze pakhat bronze pali avain paruk tichuan gold silver le bronze la khom hi avain belkomin zale pakhat ani sports infrastructure thokmek PMJVK Ministry of Minority Affairs Nwaya Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikash Karyakram PMJVK Nwaya hian project somriat pali kalpui ani project somthum pariat zo felto ani in kumin chung hian project somli dangte chu tho zo man ngei be sei ani saski Nwaya heng na te hi tho mek ani bok mamit multipurpose indoor stadium chengnoi zasari somriat pasari point somnga motor sports complex lengpui chengnoi zariat improvement of darlon playground chengnoi zale pani point somkwa pani sports hostel boys and girls malung thu chengnoi zathum somkwa pariat football ground ti changtun nan cheng noi zanhi improvement of MSSC REC motorsports racetrack and sports complex lengpui chengnoi zanhi CSR corporate social responsibility CSR Nwaya project pani kalpui mek ani development of AFC complex at Lunglei under Power Finance Corporation PFC 100% grant chengnoi zanga somli paruk point somkwa MSSC REC motorsports complex at Lengpui under Rural Electrification Corporation REC chengnoi sangkhat REC zasari somnga le state zani somnga te anni Khelo India scheme Nwaya chengnoi zali somnga sengin multipurpose indoor hall Tlangau ta sakmek ani ole khati zongkha tonchuma sports and youth services department Nwaya malak na tele hlawhtlinna te anni a ngai thatu te zong hun man nuam vek ule